Which food contains the most probiotics? Probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts that are good for your health, especially your digestive system. These friendly bacteria help keep your gut healthy, improve digestion, and boost your immune system. According to the National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health, NCCIH, probiotics can help prevent and treat some illnesses. They are commonly found in fermented foods. Given that gut health is linked to many aspects of overall well-being, it's important to include probiotic-rich foods in your diet. Top foods, rich in probiotics. 1. Yogurt. Yogurt is one of the best sources of probiotics. It is made from milk that has been fermented by friendly bacteria, mainly lactic acid bacteria and bifidobacteria. Research shows that yogurt can improve bone health, help with high blood pressure, and is beneficial for people with lactose intolerance. Look for yogurt that contains live or active cultures to ensure you are getting the probiotics. 2. Kefir. Kefir is a fermented milk drink made by adding kefir grains to cow or goat milk. It contains more probiotics than yogurt, including several major strains of friendly bacteria and yeast. Studies indicate that kefir can improve bone health, aid digestion, and protect against infections. Kefir can be found in most grocery stores or made at home. 3. Sauerkraut. Sauerkraut is finely shredded cabbage that has been fermented by lactic acid bacteria. It is rich in probiotics, fiber, and vitamins C and K. Sauerkraut has been shown to improve digestion and boost the immune system. To get the probiotic benefits, choose unpasteurized sauerkraut, as pasteurization kills the beneficial bacteria. 4. Kimchi. Kimchi is a spicy Korean dish made from fermented vegetables, usually cabbage and radishes. It is seasoned with garlic, ginger, chili peppers, and other spices. Kimchi is loaded with probiotics and also contains vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Regular consumption of kimchi has been linked to improved digestive health and a stronger immune system. 5. Miso. Miso is a Japanese seasoning made by fermenting soybeans with salt and koji, a type of fungus. It is commonly used in miso soup. Miso is rich in probiotics as well as protein, vitamins, and minerals. Studies suggest that miso can aid digestion and reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. 6. Tempeh. Tempeh is a fermented soybean product originally from Indonesia. It forms a firm patty with a nutty flavor and is rich in probiotics, protein, and vitamins. Tempeh also contains vitamin B12, which is not commonly found in plant-based foods. Including tempeh in your diet can improve digestion and provide essential nutrients, especially for vegetarians and vegans. 7. Kombucha. Kombucha is a fermented tea that is becoming increasingly popular. It is made by adding a SCOBY, symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast, to sweetened tea. Kombucha contains a variety of probiotics and antioxidants. Drinking kombucha can improve digestion, boost the immune system, and provide energy. Importance of probiotic-rich foods. Including probiotic-rich foods in your diet is essential for maintaining a healthy gut. Here are some reasons why. 1. Digestive health. Probiotics help balance the gut microbiome, which can improve digestion and prevent issues like constipation, diarrhea, and bloating. 2. Immune system. A healthy gut can strengthen your immune system and help fight off infections and illnesses. 3. Mental health. The gut-brain connection means that a healthy gut can positively affect your mood and reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. 4. Chronic diseases. Probiotics can lower the risk of chronic diseases such as obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease by improving metabolism and reducing inflammation. Incorporating these probiotic-rich foods into your diet can significantly benefit your gut health and overall well-being. Whether you choose yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, tempeh, or kombucha, these foods can help you maintain a balanced and healthy digestive system. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to be the first to know about new uploads.